these up real quick. And alright, so what we're getting ready to do here is we're going to go ahead and put up 2 shelves up here at the top, a 12-inch shelf and an 18-inch shelf. So this is a continuation of the last video. Maybe, not sure which way these videos will be released, but when we originally built these tables, these workbenches, these will be my shipping tables and work area. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and put these up real quick. We have one already here, and David's cutting some more. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some braces coming from here over to here. Okay, so he's cutting those right now, and that way we don't have these things sitting in our way in the middle of the table. Okay, so that's what we don't want, is that happening. So they're actually going to be something like this. He's cutting all the angles. They were a little complicated to figure out, but we figured it out. Trial and error a little bit. He's out cutting them on the chop saw. So this will be, it already feels a lot bigger in here than what it did when we had a lot of clusters everywhere. So here's the shelf that was previously over here, and we will definitely leave him over here once we finish. But the printer and stuff is going to not be on this little shelf thing. I don't know, rolling cart shelf. So that will probably, some of that will sit over here. Not sure exactly where everything will sit yet, but that's why we have the shelves. It's a 12-inch shelf on the bottom, and it'll be an 18-inch shelf up at the top. That's what I'm getting ready to put together right here. Be right back. Continue. Okay, for some reason the video stopped recording. I'm not sure why. I mean, we were putting these together. So we just finished putting this shelf on here. We still need to figure out the angles to put these brackets here at an angle, basically from here down to there, if you can see that, at an angle so that we don't lose as much table space. And then we're going to do the same thing up here. Now we haven't put that plywood up on top yet because it's not strong enough. We have cut those. They're already sitting in here behind me, just ready to go up. There we go. Tools still need to be put away, still need to vacuum and everything, but oh, the grass is pretty outside. So anyways, so here's our new table. Under the table is just the legs all the way to the back. Here we did the same thing. That's basically the angles that we're talking about that we're going to put on these top shelves. So for some reason it was a lot easier to put it on the bottom here. We didn't have to really try that hard. But anyway, so we're going to do basically the same thing on these top shelves over here. See that? And basically it'll go from something like this. So if you know how to do that, definitely comment a video. Put a link on there as a comment if you like, and we will go from there. So anyways, yes, thank you so much. I love you guys. You guys are everything to me. Thank you for following me, and thank you for liking and subscribing. Bye now.